Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little easy project that I thought you might enjoy, but we're going to do it a little bit different because we're going to clone it. So I'm going to take an ellipse, doesn't matter what size. Then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Start moving and hold down your control button so we get this perfect gap right here. Pretty important. We're going to take that right there, and then we can take that away. Now we're going to take the interactive fill tool and we're going to play with it just a little bit. And the video wasn't really worth doing just for this, even though it's pretty cool. But I'm going to show you how you could play around with the clone tool and kind of go live, I guess. I don't like that whatsoever. And bring these in. And see, we got, and this time I smoothed that out in this one, but I'm not in this one. Now I'm going to take this guy and clone it and move the clone over here. Okay, so this is our control curve. I'm going to move it over out of the way. I'm going to Control D and duplicate it, and I'm going to rotate it a negative 90 degrees. And I just kind of started thinking about this might not work. And I hope there's a mathematical formula for this, because I just started thinking our clone, I made another copy and I'm going to mirror it both ways and then try to bring that into there. And if you can't get it perfect, you can use your nudge factor on real low to bring it away and take away that light. Maybe my mathematical guru will figure something out. Now, this is our control curve. Let's get back to the interactive fill. I just realized this probably won't work. Yeah, it does. I mean, look at that. You could really play with this, you know, get it really shiny. It looks like a ribbon. Maybe we could add some white and then add a little blue just on the other side of that. Wow. And because we're cloning it, that's what's making it look like that. So we need to add a little more blue to there. Pretty cool effect, because you can keep changing and modifying it in your, to me, I always go, you're looking at it in real time, because you're able to change some things. I mean, look at that. I was really surprised it's doing all the, and you know, that way you can just kind of move it out till you like what you have. I think the original was probably the best before I added the white to make it look kind. You know what, let's put a little, instead of white, let's put a blue. And you can always take these and smooth those out and make them bigger. I actually personally like that better. But anyway, a little easy way to draw something and play with the clone tool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.